Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
Hello.
Hey, baby.
Started Raquel recording him saying, hey, baby, and dancing.
Lawrence, come over here. Lawrence, come here. Lawrence. Hey, hey, baby. Hey, baby.
Aww.
Hey, baby.
He's dancing.
Say, hey, baby.
He's dancing, baby. Baby.
Superman. Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
Raquel.
Hey, baby. Hey,
Raquel.
baby.
I just put it on MySpace.
Oh, yeah.
And send it to her. She said she was.
Hey, baby,
Alright,
Lawrence.
Ronald, take your shoes and put them over there. 'Cause you
Superman.
already got two.
Superman. Superman. Bye. 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 Light. Lawrence, come here. Ronald, bring him over here. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Go, Superman. Come on, you can get up there, Superman. Super LJ. Hey, baby. Lawrence.
No, not this again.
Go.
Don't get too close to those corners.
Go, Superman. Tell him go, go, go. Go. Tell him go, go, go. Hey, baby. Aw. So that's a bad horse.
That's to be scooted up more. Scoot him up, baby.
You got him. Go. He's like, nope, I don't want to do this anymore. He wants to get on. Get up. Get up in the horse position.
No.
No, that's the only way he'll get on. And he'll go. Say go. He wants you to go. Say wee.
Hey, Dad is trying to watch a movie on that. Raquel, take him in the game.
Lawrence, come on. Come on. Wee. Come on. Lawrence, hey, baby. Hey, baby. You can go bye-bye? Say bye-bye, Lawrence. Look, come here, look. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. 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 Can you say bye-bye? You want to say bye-bye?